think what makes a good stylist is not placing too much importance on consumerism and buying certain items. It's having a skill to combine certain things to create something beautiful. Also, on the other hand, to not follow any rules too much, to feel free, to see a profession more as art rather than just dressing people. Technology plays quite a big part in my life. I think it's a great tool for exploring your ideas and imagination. I use it to speed up my thought process. I think there's definitely things yet to be discovered when it comes to fabrics and materials and how we produce fashion. When I worked in Japan especially, I have incredible innovation. There will always be incredible minds coming up with ideas we didn't think of that become necessary things we can't live without suddenly. Style, when it's good, can still transport you to another place where you put on a garment and it makes you feel different and doesn't need to be practical.